Understanding. Watch Your Six. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring the phrase, watch your six. It's a fascinating expression that's often heard in movies and TV shows. We'll dive into its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday English. So, let's get started. Watch your six is an idiomatic expression originating from the military. In this context, six refers to the 6 o'clock position, which is directly behind you if you imagine yourself standing in the center of a clock face. So, when someone says, watch your six, they are essentially telling you to be aware of what's happening behind you. It's often used as a warning or advice to pay attention to one's surroundings, especially potential hidden dangers. This phrase has its roots in aviation and military terminology. Pilots used clock positions to describe the location of other aircraft in relation to their own. For instance, an enemy plane at 12 o'clock would be directly ahead, while one at 6 o'clock would be directly behind. Over time, this term transcended aviation and entered popular culture, often being used in action movies and TV shows. While it started in a military context, watch your six can be used in various scenarios. For example, as a friendly advice, if you're walking in a crowded place and someone might be approaching you from behind, a friend might say, watch your six. In a work environment, if there are potential problems or challenges coming up that you may not be aware of, a colleague could use this phrase as a heads-up. Context is key. Remember that watch your six is typically used in situations where awareness of one's surroundings is important. It's not commonly used in formal or everyday settings. Tone matters. This phrase is often said with a sense of urgency or concern. It's a warning to be cautious, so the tone should match the seriousness of the situation. Cultural variations. While this phrase is well known in English-speaking countries, especially those with strong ties to military culture, it might not be as widely recognized in other cultures. So, use it with an understanding of your audience. We hope you found this exploration of the phrase, watch your six, interesting and informative. It's a great example of how specific terms can evolve from professional jargon into everyday language. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like this add color and depth to our communication. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.